So we have dried Monggo beans. So this is a half cup, 4 cups of water. Just let it boil. Then once it's soft, you can like mash it and then set it aside. So you'll be needing tomatoes, shrimp, onions, and garlic, and then spinach. So I preheated the pan already. I'm using the same pan, so the flavors in there. And then the first thing we're gonna do is put oil and then garlic till golden brown. Then onions and then tomatoes. So add some pinch of salt and pepper. And once like this, you can add shrimp. So optional if you want to put shrimp or not. Some people also put tinapa, but I don't want to put tinapa here, so it is your choice, you know, if you want to put it. Are pinkish, you can start putting the mashed dried Monggo beans that we boiled earlier. So this is it.